It would be good if the spaceship didn't always start in the center of the screen. To select a random starting spot for our spaceship, we use the Pick Random function found in the Operators menu. Just like when you roll a six-sided die to pick a number from 1 to 6, the Pick Random function will randomly select a number in the range you specify. Since the X position range is from -180 to 180, we can use that range for our Pick Random function. It would also be helpful if we could restart the landing sequence without restarting the game and resetting the score to 0. Now use what you've learned so far to create a new thread for the spaceship sprite that does the following when the up arrow key is pressed. Set the spaceship Y position to 180. Randomly set the spaceship X position to a value between -180 and 180. Set the speed variable to 0. Set the gravity variable to -2. Set the thrust variable to 3. And set the isStopSent variable to no. Click the rocket ship sprite to go to its code workspace and create the restart thread. Pause the video now to try it yourself, or let the video play to see the solution. The basic game is done. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.